Good morning, everyone. This is Das Master. Today, I am going to introduce myself to our channel SSH Social Studies Hub. Every student can utilize this opportunity using our channel. All types of competitive exams as well as academies, everything material as well as classes available in this channel. If anyone interested, you can subscribe our channel and like our channel and share to so many people. Today, I am going to start with India relief features. It is very useful to from class 6th to 10th because first everyone should know about the origin of our country so that how our country is emerged, what are its features, every Indian must be know. For that purpose, I am going to introduce this lesson to all of our students. Our country formed from the big land masses, two big land masses, Laurasia and Gondwana. Our country is the form and part of Gondwana landform. So that on earth, our country is located on the northern side of equator that we call as a northern hemisphere, as well as if we take the Greenwich mean time, the earth is divided into again the two eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. According to this also, our country falls on northeastern hemisphere. Our country's location, if we observe 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, longitude, and 68 degrees 7 minutes east latitude to, and 97 degrees to 5 minutes east latitude. This is the location of our country in the world. So our country is the seventh biggest country in the world. Our country is seventh biggest country in the world. If we observe north to south, the total distance is 3,214 kilometers. As well as if you observe east to west, the total length is 2,933 kilometers. Now, we are going to know about our country. East to west, the total length is 2,933 kilometers. If we are going to know about our boundaries of our country, the northern side, the Himalayas are located, and the southern side, Indian Ocean is located. In the eastern side, Bay of Bengal is located. In the western side, Arabian Sea is located. At the same time, our country is divided by one greatest line which divides our country into two equal halves that we call as the Tropic of Cancer, 23 and a half degrees. At the same time, to our country, one of the greatest time zone we have, that is we called as 82.5 degrees IST, Indian Standard Time. Okay, this is about our country location. Now we are going to know about the features of India. Our country has total six features. First one is Greater Himalayas. Greater Himalayas. And the second one is Indo Gangetic Plains. And third one is Deccan Plateau. And the fourth one is East Coastal Plains. And the fifth one is the Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert. And the last one is the islands. Islands. These are total six features our country have. Now we are going to know about the Greater Himalayas, which are located in the northern side of our country. Greater Himalayas, which are located in the northern side of our country. The Himalayas formed in an arc shape. Here, if we observe in three parallel lines, our Himalayas are formed. The first one we call as the Greater Himalayas, ranging from 6,100 meters and above. And the second one we call as Lesser Himalayas, ranging from 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. And the third one we call as Siwaliks, ranging from 900 meters to 1100 meters. At the same time, how the Himalayas are formed? The Himalayas are formed 65 million years ago. Himalayas are formed 65 million years ago. The southern part of India traveled northeast direction and it merged with Eurasian plate. Because of that compression, the Engfold Mountains, as we call as the Greater Himalayas, formed 65 million years ago. Now, we have so many interesting features in this Himalayas. The Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, 8,848 meters, located in the Greater Himalayas. Okay, Greater Himalayas, if we observe, they have important glaciers. One of the greatest glacier in our country, as well as which gives the birth to the so many rivers we are having in this zone only. These are completely covered with icy and snow cover. 6,100 meters we call as snow line. 6,100 meters snow line. And the second part, if we observe, that we call as lesser Himalayas. Here we can see the important forests in our country. Those are called as evergreen forests, as well as some of the important summer resorts. So many dunes we can see here. Dehradun, Atli Dune, Kotli Dune, like so many dunes we can see in this part in the lesser Himalayas, as well as dune. What is called dune? The valleys which are laying between the Siwaliks and the lesser Himalayas we call as a dune. In this way, so many dunes we can see in this zone. The conical forest also we can see in this lesser Himalayas, as well as so many fruits, crops grown in this region. So these are very important to our country. And the third one, if we observe, it we called as Siwaliks. The third part we call as a Siwaliks. Foothills of the Himalayas we also called it. Foothills of the Himalayas. We can see some of the important feature here, that is called Babar and Terai and swampy landforms. Now,
Agriculture purpose, we cleared so many forests in this region. We brought this land into agriculture purpose. In this way, the Himalayas are useful to our country. With this, I am going to conclude this video. If anyone likes, please give your cooperation and subscribe our channel. I will continue the next part in the next video. Thank you.